Hey there guys, I'm Crowe, the traveling scientist, here in Yosemite National Park. And today, I wanted to tell you some of the science behind why this place is so special and show you some of the beauty that's held within this park. So Yosemite is located in the Sierra Nevada mountain range, which is made up mostly of granite rock, which formed underground a long time ago. About 10 million years ago, two tectonic plates collided, forcing the rock up into the sky, producing the Sierra Nevada mountains. Oh, well that's great, Jesse. That's pretty much how every mountain on Earth formed. But wait, there's more. Ooh. So Yosemite National Park has 4 distinct geographic regions, spread across over 3 million acres.
There's the valley, the sequoia groves, the granite cliffs, and the high Sierra.
That's why this national park is like no other in the world, and that's why it's the most expensive property in the National Park Monopoly board game. At the bottom there's the valley. Here you can find lush meadows, calm rivers, cascading waterfalls, and acres of deciduous forests that are home to things like black bears and grazing deer. The sequoia groves. Several parts of Yosemite National Park are home to these giant sequoia trees. They can grow to over 70 meters high and 9 meters thick at the base. These trees will make you feel like ants and actually require fire to reproduce. So start a fire while you're here. Wait, no, don't start a fire while you're here. Definitely don't start a fire while you're here. Don't you do it. The granite cliffs. Half Dome and El Capitan are just 2 of the countless giant cliffs that tower over this national park. And if you're brave enough, you can climb just about any of them.
Fun fact, these cliffs are still growing at a rate of 1 inch every 1,000 years. I don't know how they measured that.
And the high Sierra. In the high altitudes of Yosemite, mountain peaks stick out amongst the rolling meadows and thick forests. And there's more walking tracks out here than you could poke a walking stick at. So there you have it. Yosemite National Park and the Sierra Nevada mountain ranges is a place like nowhere else on Earth. And you could spend weeks exploring here. There's miles of road and you can literally pull over everywhere and go wandering off into the wilderness. It'd be so easy to get lost here. But try not to do that. And who knows what you might find out there. Maybe you'll find some cool flowers or a mountain to be king of, or you might even find a bear. Yeah, look out for bears. That's a thing. But anyway, whether you're a nature lover or a geology nerd or a happy camper, Yosemite is an awesome place to come and check out. And now you know the science behind how it formed, come and explore it for yourself. Why not? Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below. And if you have any questions about Yosemite National Park that you'd like me to answer, leave it in the comment section down below. Finally, subscribe for more traveling science every week, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. By the way, who's paying for walking sticks? I mean, honestly, how much do they cost? $50, $100 for some walking sticks that are just straight bits of metal or wood? It's a stick. You can't go pick one up from the ground. Go and get one. Why would you pay for that? What? Why? I'm sorry. I get worked up about these things. God, idiots. Do you own a walking stick? Get off my channel. Get out of here.